Hi, get your family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Bathandi bomkhosi hayi sham ngishaxekile kuyimaye. Makhathi shared disturbing pictures on her Facebook account together with captions Bathandi bomkhosi revealing that she was in an abusive relationship whereby they were beating her like a dog or a chicken allegedly. Bathandi bomkhosi, people were indeed shocked. Bathandi bomkhosi, Makhathi also shared an incident that took place in December, Christmas Day, whereby her then boyfriend whooped her and the people around, they were just looking and laughing. Hi, boom. She also went live Bathandi bomkhosi and showed her fans a bruise on her face, stating that when the man was whooping her like that, she kept on asking ukuthi hayi bo bhuti kanti ngikwenzeni engaka. But umfana waphendula wathi hayi bo, I just want you to be more ugly than you are right now. Hayi bo. Hayi bo. Isihluku esingaka. Bathandi bomkhosi, Makhathi further stated that the perpetrator is currently now threatening her if she does go public with the whole thing, like revealing him and everything like that. They will frame her for something that she did not do and then she will go to prison, or rather, they will unalive her. Hayibo. Allegedly kuthiwa umsolo ofuna nje ukumisa 6 feet under, hence she's sharing all of these things so that people can know that her life is currently in danger. Who would have thought, Bathandi bomkhosi? I mean, who would have thought? Because now people are wondering, who is this a perpetrator that Makhathi is speaking about? Because I bandla ziyakhala impela. But we really wish Makhathi to be okay, and we really hope that she overcomes this current situation. Because of course she will be releasing her album very soon, and we hope that the album will get as much support like most of the albums. Because GBV is indeed a sad thing, but we wish her all the best and for her to recover and for her to be safe. That's it for today. But please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.